Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. A lot of people say, I do so many videos on left-hand U-turns. That's because here in America, we ride on the right, and you're going to do many more left-hand U-turns than you will right. But if you're having a problem making right-hand U-turns, you should practice right U-turns even more than the left. And the best way, the most fun way to do that is to set up the intersection. Now, if you're in a lined parking lot like this, start off with 3 parking spaces. That's 27 feet. Now, where I have the cones here, it is 24 feet. But 27 feet is so easy to set up because you just go by the lines that are already there in the parking lot. So what you want to do is, instead of going into the intersection and making your first right turn, you go in, make your first left. That means all your U-turns are going to be to the right. I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to develop a rhythm as you go through, and the right-hand U-turns will get easier and easier when you do it. Whenever you practice, you want to have fun, and believe me, this is a fun way of doing it. It's one of the best exercises to set up. It takes a minimal amount of cones. In fact, you like specials? Well, we got one for you. You can get the Ride Like a Pro book and Shortcuts to Riding Like a Pro for $29.95. That means you're getting this for less than $10 for the video. So you're getting both, $29.95. In order to get this, you're going to have to call 866-868-7433. You must call that phone number because this special is not on the website. Now, the Shortcuts to Riding Like a Pro doesn't show you the motor officer section. It's Shortcuts. It's going to show you how to set this stuff up with a very minimal amount of markers. If you use tennis balls cut in half or little cones, whatever you want to use, we're going to show you how to set this whole thing up in about 10 minutes and put in an hour's practice doing U-turns in both directions, and you'll be riding like a pro in no time. Until next week.